Hello and welcome to Paper Plays Julie K.
Thanks so much for stopping by, and today I have a little package to share with you guys that I received from Amy Love here on YouTube. She recently had a giveaway on her channel and I was lucky enough to have been the winner, and so I do have Amy Love's channel information listed below in the description box. If you guys haven't checked out her channel, I do highly recommend it. She's very talented when it comes to creating shabby chic projects, and she also does tutorials or process videos on her channel, so she's a great person to learn from, and I really enjoy watching her channel. And then she also opened up an Etsy store recently, and so she does sell a few laces and trims and some little starter kits. If that's something that you guys are interested in, I'll try and remember to link that store down below too for you guys. And again, like I said, I just won a little prize package, and she was giving away this cute little box, and then she put a couple goodies inside of it, and then also she included this little spool extra. And so to begin with, she gave me this cute little card, wrote a nice little note in it, and then she also decorated this cute little clothespin. So thank you for that. I really like it. I'll be able to reuse this image in a journal. It's really cute. And then she included this little extra. She makes these gorgeous stick pins. So here's one of the pins that she made. Really cute pin. And then she also included these little spools. I don't know where she gets these, but she does sell these in her shop every once in a while. But they're fun for snippet rolls. And Amy Love does have some examples of these that she's made on her YouTube channel. And then of course she gifted me some gorgeous lace trim on this little roll, but this is going to be fun to actually make a little snippet roll out of this little spool. These are little antique spools. Very fun. And again, there's that gorgeous lace that she gifted me. Thank you so much, Amy. I like it. And like I said, I'm going to have a lot of fun decorating this little spool. And so again, here was the little prize thing that she was giving away, is this adorable little box that she created. And I do believe she does have a little tutorial on her channel for this box, but beautiful paper. And of course, she added some really cute little pink ribbon. It kind of looks pleated, and then the little flat back pearls on it. And then for the feet, isn't that adorable? All those little spools with some thread wrapped around them. Those are so cute. And there's the top of the box, the other side, and the back. But really cute. And then she has, she just used like a little knob, and then she put a flat back pearl on top of it for her closure with some little pink seam binding. And then that's kind of what it looks like on the inside when you open it up. She included another little goodie here. Let's see what this is. Oh, this is cute. It's like a little like needle book or stick pin book. How cute is that? The little doily and the ribbon rose. The tulle trim on the side and the seam binding closure. Looks like there's a few pages in here. Oh, how fun is that? Some cute little embellishments. Oh, and then these are really cute too. I don't know, Karen Billinger here on YouTube makes these little butterflies from beads. And that's adorable. That's cute. And then all these little embellishments here too. I'll be able to use these in some different projects. They're all very shabby chic. Very, very cute. But here's that little butterfly right there. Really cute. A little cameo, a little ribbon, bow. Just some fun little stuff to add to things. And then here, it looks like she's made a couple more cute, really cute stick pins. Very cute. And then the last page, she has some more little charms and bling. Well, this one's cute with a little fairy on it. Little heart. Very pretty. Thank you so much, Amy. I love everything This is so cute. It's so tiny. It's like a little mini version of a needle book. It's so cute. This one would be perfect, like if you're traveling and you need to bring a couple little embellishments with you for craft projects, you could bring this along. So very cute. And again, here's the box that she created. So thank you again, Amy, and thank everybody else so much for watching. Again, I will have Amy's links below in the description box if you guys are interested. I hope you all have a wonderful day and happy crafting.